Did you know that there is no way in the Cap 3 bill that says President Mnangagwa will only serve an extra 2 years and he leave office in 2030? Sarapina mashoko budanyo kwa pango ya Chinski Munhumutapa will not step down in 2030. Mashoko buda pango ino achinzi Mnangagwa declares himself king. Munhumutapa not was subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipita kuna budanyo kwa mchinzi. So there is nothing in our law or a constitution that will compel President Mnangagwa to leave office in 2030. This means that if Cap 3 is passed this year before September, once the constitution is amended, President Mnangagwa may start a 7-year term that runs until 2033. He can even go beyond that, considering that CHAMISA has said the president has not yet started his term because he has not been in office for 3 years. CHAMISA also said the 5 years, which would become 7 if Cap 3 passes, will not count as a term limit. That means the 7 years can be extended again by Parliament in 2033 without a referendum. I know many people think KUTYA will be president after 2030, but that is unlikely. President Mnangagwa has already taken the title King Munhumutapa, and he wants to pass the baton to his son, the prince, and not a stranger. Doma developments are kubuda pangwa ino muri Zimbabwe yambiro nechenjedzo iri bwagara nyika yeZimbabwe kuti vanhu vanyaso kuziva mamiriro azvakaita panema constitutional amendment. Kana kumesa kuchemedu dzakumbira enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Musangana subscribe or like paunchiri unotina on the bell icon.